This week we are exploring the world of virtual reality. We are using platforms like Delight X and Tinkercad, and essentially children are becoming familiar with 3D modeling and also creating a virtual world aspect, and just in different settings and different environments.
I enjoyed the most making new friends, and when we was making our zoo today and yesterday.
This week, I hope that they really take on those pillars that define virtual reality and truly being able to be a part of that development outside of consumerism, and then just overall taking those tasks and bringing them home and continuing to educate themselves and learn about those aspects of virtual reality.